So I'm going to be doing a quick run through of NZDUSD and my markup, what I see happening in the next couple of days, if not maybe a week. I like to start off from the higher time frames first. What do we see happening on the weekly chart? I mean, you see a bunch of bearishness. I mean, price has been, on a downtrend. You see this lower low, lower high compared to this high. We see, bugging out. We see this lower high here, another lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we're very bearish on the long term. However, I do see this imbalance on the weekly. Eventually that may come up and get filled. But the first target, I'll be looking for is this candle right here, for price to come up into that region. And so, given that I am looking around this area, I'm going to scale in and see what I can find around this candle. So let's just, highlight, actually, no, just around this area, right? So go into the daily chart. So I see these equal highs, 1, 2, right here. Maybe this right here as well. Another equal high right there. High right here, here. Those three highs, I will definitely be seeing price coming up later this week, purging that liquidity. And so when this liquidity is captured on the buy side, we're going to see a reversal. I'd like to see price to kind of go up and come back down, just given that I've seen these equal highs. And so now that I've seen equal highs, I'm going to look for targets where I could possibly short, because like I said, I want to see price capture liquidity above these highs and come back down, going along with the weekly bearish market. So if I go into the 4-hour, what do I see as for potential targets above these equal highs for shorting areas? There's this whole imbalance here on the 4-hour on the left, kind of approaching all this bullish action right here. And so that looks like a great area of interest for me to start the shorting in. And so I have two particular targets in there, 50% of this imbalance, with the stop loss above the entire imbalance just a little bit. And my target would be this little stutter candle right here on the 4-hour. And so taking out all of this entire, taking out all this liquidity, 1, 2, 3, 4 equal lows. I'd like to see price come out and take that, and eventually hit this stutter candle. So price would look kind of like this here. So the 4-hour imbalance, right? And then come back down, hit this 4-hour stutter candle, and then eventually go up to our bigger weekly imbalance. That's what I'd like to see price do. Another target you could potentially see for the shorts, on the 1-hour time frame, actually. 1 second, sorry. Another target I'd like to see on the 1-hour, around this particular area. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it. Around here, which is where the 4-hour imbalance is. That 4-hour imbalance. If you go into the 1-hour, right here, you see this little bullish candle right here before this very large down movement. And so that could potentially be an area for interest of us. And so if you go into smaller time frames, you can see what was happening in that 1-hour candle. You see a bunch of bullish movement, 1, 2, 3, capturing all the liquidity above these wicks, above these equal highs right here. And so potentially with this being the most sniper candle right here, I'd probably take it from the open of the beginning of the hour and just keep my stop above this candle right here. And you can see that is my second entry. That is my second entry over here. 30 pip stop all the way down here for around 400 pips. We'll see how it plays out. Those are two things that I'm looking at for on NU this week.